Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Now, a few videos back, I'll link the card above here if you missed it. You would have seen I had a beautiful delivery from the Washi Tape Shop. I am working as an ambassador and affiliate for the Washi Tape Shop, so all of the details will be down below, of course. But they sent me a stunning collection of their brand new Christmas PET tapes and their paper washi tapes, and oh my goodness me, I fell head over heels in love with this one, the Polar Bears. Now, this is a pack of 3. They are called Polar Pals. You'll be able to find them on the website. And of course, Black Friday is coming, so your huge discount for your Black Friday sales at the Washi Tape Shop will of course be down below as well. But guys, I fell in love with 2. If you watched that video, first up it was this one. I thought these were utterly adorable. Set of 3. All about the polar bears and the winter wonderland with all of their animal friends. And I also fell in love with the Christmas market PET tape. Oh, that one was just stunning. But this one here, now I really wanted to have a play with the paper washi tape in resin. I've never done pure paper washi tape in resin. A couple of years ago you would have seen I used some metallic, almost plasticky coated washi tape in very small pendants, but these ones here, they're paper, and this made me nervous to try it. So these are the colors I'm going with. I really want like an icy winter wonderland background for my polar bears, and I tried to color match, so these polar bears almost look watercolor-esque, so they've got this kind of like moody blues and like gray tones in them as well, and I figured we'd go with those colors and see what we get. So again, PPE is on. The mold I'm using is from Molds and Shapes. Of course, the details for your discount code will be in the description box. It's their beautiful oval tray. My plan was to use these gorgeous moody colours in just any way possible, in a random way, to create our icy background. At first I picked out 4 colours, but I actually settled for 3. I didn't really want to use the mint. I just felt like the mint green would maybe take away from the blues and the grey hues that I was looking for. So here we are, I've mixed up my resin, I've poured it into 3 separate cups. Now in the first cup is the Arteza Silver Mica Powder. Into that is going just a bit of the icy blue, just to bring it to more of a bluer tone. In the central cup is just the icy blue, and then in the right hand side cup is the icy white. And I figured these 3 colours together, oh my gosh, look at this. This is the Arteza Silver and the icy blue. I mean, it is simply stunning together, and I honestly, as I was mixing them, I was like, yes, these will go so well. But don't be like me, guys. I don't know why I mixed quite so aggressively. On the right hand side, the powder was flying everywhere, so just go slowly, we're not in a hurry. Don't mix it like me. Now here's the thing. In each and every one of these cups, I'm going to be adding in some of the Super Sparkle White from Colour Cottage. Now, so many of you have asked where you get this. The Colour Cottage are no longer in business. The website does not exist. This was given to me years ago. So if you want something like this, you're looking for a very fine, glittery dust. Or you could use ultra fine white glitter to give you the same kind of effect. I want these colours to not only give me an icy backdrop, but also sparkle. You know, mica powder on its own doesn't sparkle, and I want that, ooh, sparkle. I want this to be simply icy. You know, when the sun hits the ice and you've got this totally beautiful, crystally sparkle reflection. That's what I was going for. Now, we all know resin does what resin wants, and quite frankly, I didn't really care where I was pouring this. So my advice to you is pour it wherever, however you want, because at the end of the day, there is no way of getting something you want exactly when it comes to pouring resin. The only time resin is going to give you a defined, predictable result is if you use one colour And that's it. As soon as you start mixing colours, you've got no idea what to expect. It is honestly like Christmas when you demold, because you just don't know. And I figured at this point, got nothing to lose. The colours are stunning. We know they're going to blend because resin blends. And yeah, it was just a case of waiting 24 hours to see what this whole kind of like chuck it in technique, this mishmash of throwing all the colours together, what result it's going to give us. Now, once I had scraped all of the cups out and my blue, my grey and my white were fully in there, I had a little bit left over of the clear, and I mean little bit. You'll see here I'm about to pour in the dregs, what I've got left of the clear, and it really is not very much at all. You can just see it running down the cup, barely anything. I didn't know if this was going to do anything, but hand on heart, I think this was the catalyst to the absolutely stunning results. And guys, I'm not going to lie, now that I've seen this and I've seen how I've done it, because honestly I couldn't even remember how I went about this, the results are so stunning, so spectacular. And that was using 3 Arteza micas. I just want to do this again. I want to do this on a large scale. I want to make a huge tray. I want to do all of the things, because I don't think you're ready for just how stunningly, spectacularly icy, iceberg, icy, frozen lake, frost, snow, snowdrift, all of the things. All of the things. Look at the cells, the clouds. The way this has gone is crazy stunning. It's just crushed ice, isn't it? It's all of the things. And I think pouring in some of that clear resin is what did it. It basically allowed all of those colours to meld even more and do what they're going to do. The science. You couldn't have planned this. I couldn't have planned this and got this result. You know, that's the beauty of resin. You just got to go for it. Trust the process, chuck it all in there, hope for the best. Okay, washi tape time. Washi tape time. Again, this is pure paper washi tape. I was worried about this white outside line. Each and every image of this pre-cut paper washi tape comes with a white outline. I was umming and ahhing. Do I literally chop it off, or do I leave it all there? And actually, I think it helps define the shapes, it helps make them pop, but part of me knew I would lose the will to live if I sat there cutting out each and every one that I was going to use. So I decided to leave the white outline on. Now, this is not, I don't think this is the Polar Friends. No, it's not. This isn't the Polar Friends. This is the Winter Wonderland one, I think, but I will leave the name on screen. Stunning. I'm not going to use this in today's video, but I'm just showing you how well this background works with all of the other winter washi tapes that they sent me, and now I want to go ahead and do that as well. Now back to Polar Pals. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a 3-pack of washi tape, so 3-pack of paper washi tape, and each and every roll have got the same characters, the same animals and friends and polar bear friends, but kind of all different. So luckily I was able to look at all 3 rolls to work out which ones I wanted for my tray and which ones weren't really calling my name at that point. So we've got on the left, we've got the polar bear with his little penguin friend, and then on the right we've got the polar bear with his rabbit friend, and then the one in the middle just holding his hands, like really happy and content that he's surrounded by friends. I absolutely love these so much. The animations, they're so like they what's the word, evoke emotions, you know, because they're simply beautiful animations and they just fill your heart, especially the one in the middle. He just looks so happy, so happy, and the little penguins just look so cozy and chill. But yeah, again, I'm laying out all of my images in a straight line. They are literally having a meeting. They're all having a discussion about how to decorate the tree this year. You can go random. You could put, you know, these rolls of tape are so long. You could easily get 5, 6, 7 of exactly the same image out of one roll of washi tape and just stick them all over randomly. How you go about this is entirely up to you, but for me, I just wanted them all across the front of the tray in a straight line. and I'm putting this gorgeous little penguin to the right hand side, but the bunny rabbits or the hair, it could actually be a hair. The feet are kind of in the way, so I'm just going to peel the feet back up and put the penguin down and then stick the feet back down over the penguin and just hope the penguin doesn't mind. But yeah, I think all of these go so well. And the background colour, I'm sorry guys, I don't think I could have matched the background colour better than I did, especially to get that frosted winter ice effect. It's just working so well. The last thing I did, because as soon as I looked at them, I thought, yes, they're definitely having a conversation about how the tree is going to be decorated this year. I've added a few of the little baubles in from the washi tape. Now, there are so many images on this washi tape. You really could create a whole entire scene. You could go layers as well. You could put all the trees at the back, trees in the back, another layer of resin, polar bears towards the front, and then the top layer of resin, you could have all of your baubles hanging down. There's so many different ways to use this and so many different possibilities. And had I have thought prior, I think I would have tried putting some more snowy, Christmassy scene in the back, but hey, we've got forever. Now, we've laid down our paper washi tape, and this is why I was nervous. I didn't know at this point, should I have sealed the paper washi tape? Let me know what you do when you use paper washi tape in resin. I've never used washi tape like this in an epoxy resin project this big. Also, the washi tape is white, so I was ever so nervous. I was ever so worried that the resin would seep into the paper and give me a mottled kind of like, when paper gets wet, it goes mottled. That's what I was worried about. Equally, I thought it wouldn't be that bad. If it did, what's the worst that could happen? The washi tape isn't going to disintegrate, but I was not wrong. The resin did actually soak in through the paper washi tape and give me that mottled effect that I really didn't want, but it's not altogether horrendous. I feel like, if anything, it's helped the polar bears almost blend in to that glittery, icy, snowy background, and they've become somewhat transparent. Now, I don't know whether I should have sealed those first with some Mod Podge or PVA glue. I really don't know, because I've never used them before. I did speak to Nadia over at Leah Dear Designs. We all know Nadia from day one was using washi tape in resin. And I did ask Nadia, do you seal your paper washi tapes? She said to this point she's not had to seal. But I know we use very different washi tapes, you see. And she's probably experienced what I experienced last year with a more thicker paper, metallic-y, plasticky washi tape with all of the designs and embossed designs on. I didn't need to seal those, and I never had an issue. But these are delicate, beautiful, delicate papers. So yeah, let me know if you've used any of these paper washi tapes and what you would do. But guys, I am not angry about this at all. I think it is simply beautiful. Even though the resin went in through the paper and you can kind of see it, I think it's just stunning. It is everything icy, winter wonderlandy. We've got the polar bears with all of his friends planning the tree decorations. Who's going to turn the lights on? I think it's adorable, and this tape just fills my heart with absolute joy. My only downside to having all of these tapes from the washi tape shop is that I am not going to be able to get through all of these tapes for the rest of my life. I could just do my best and have fun with them. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you would do. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video and feel inspired. If you are still here at the end, we're nearly 15 minutes in. I appreciate you all very, very much. And if you have not yet, hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Please do that. And also hit the like if you like my content. And you hopefully will come back for another video if you are new here. I'll see you all. Oh gosh, take a breath, Claire, take a breath. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.